At Huzzard Data Systems, we realize that manufacturing is the backbone of our economy. It's what keeps our world moving forward. The manufacturing industry accounts for over half of the gross world product at $40 trillion. But due to many factors, over 20% of every dollar spent in manufacturing is lost, adding up to $8 trillion annually. Lengthy onboarding processes, inefficiencies, poor quality, and a lack of useful data are all contributing factors to the staggering levels of monetary loss. Thankfully, there's a low-cost solution that can help in a big way. Introducing Info on Demand, digital work instructions from Huzzard Data, Huzzard's new cloud-based software designed to decrease training times, maximize efficiency, improve quality, and provide your company with real-time production data. Gone are the days of assembly line workers flipping through work instruction binders. Info on Demand digital work instructions digitizes existing work instructions and displays them on a monitor directly in front of the employee, dramatically improving communication and access. And in addition to English, we're proud to offer Spanish and Hmong translation. One of the key features of Info on Demand digital work instructions is automatic step progression. Once the employee has logged in and accessed the appropriate document, they're able to progress from step to step, completely hands-free, supported by complimentary videos, images, and PDF documents. And you can say goodbye to sticky note stuffed binders. With Info on Demand digital work instructions, users can submit update requests and send notes to their managers digitally. With Info on Demand digital work instructions installed on their device, managers can respond quickly to employees and approve their requests from anywhere. And maybe best of all, Huzzard's Info on Demand digital work instructions collects real-time data from each workstation and formats it into reports that can be used to identify weaknesses in your manufacturing process. It's what you always wanted: access to real-time, frontline data that allows your company to focus on weak points and deal with them instantly. Contact us today for a free demo and learn how to modernize and automate your assembly line.